Alright, so this is the new Joshua Bardwell Edition V2 DIY kit. So this is the ELRS kit, which comes with everything except the receiver. But I have extra receivers that I got with my controller, with the Radio Master. I think it was the Zorro Radio Master. So you can buy it with extra receivers. So I already had 2 extra receivers, and I've got analog goggles. So this is not the digital kit. All right. This is flipped over, I think. Let's see. There we go. Okay. All right. Let's see what we got. Frequency chart. Stickers? Are these stickers? I think these are stickers. You're going to build something today. You're going to build something today. Luminaire. So a lot of these parts are luminaire. Battery voltage charge. So this is a 6S. So discharged 3.7 times 6 is 22. Storage, you want it to be 3.85 times 6, which is 23. And that's the other thing that this does not come with, which is the battery. So I've got these 6S batteries, Avonic. I don't know if this will be a good shape for that, but I guess we'll find that out here shortly. All right, this is interesting. So is this whole thing a sticker? I don't know. Oh, yeah, I think it is. Oh yeah, so the whole thing is a sticker. So are these stickers? Yeah, okay, so these are stickers. Your battery voltage chart, your frequency chart, yeah. Then these guys, let's see, would that fit there? Luminaire, JB Kilo. Okay, anyway, so stickers. Alright, so we got a bunch of zip ties, some wires. Looks like some brackets, probably for the receiver. Okay. Joshua Bardwell Edition. So this, I'm assuming, is the chassis. Okay, this is definitely the video transmitter. Antenna, that is. So we'll put you there. This is, looks like a video transmitter. So this probably comes with it, or goes to this. This is the flight controller. You can see the big pads for the motors. Okay. So this was open when I got it. Hopefully, yeah, everything's in a sealed bag. So I'm guessing capacitor for the power. This probably connects the controller for the motors, the ESC, with the flight controller. There's 2 capacitors. Oh, so it looks like you solder your own XT60. Okay. So it's like all your power related stuff. Let's see, does this one go the same way? Oh, so these look like they slide into each other, kind of like my organizers do. I don't want to break it. There we go. Just gotta man up. Alright, so it's our flight controller and more connectors, standoffs. So the standoffs will go in the corners. one or the other. All right. It's really this should. There we go. Oh, yeah. See these interlock. Okay, so we got that. This should be the motor. So these are the screws. That's probably the nut. And this is the motor itself. Need to sharpen that. Trash. Definitely don't want to lose these screws. Alright, so motor 1. 2, 3, 4. Alright. It's a nice case. I like the case. That's part of the reason why I bought this kit, because you know, I've got all these extra drones that I don't really have cases for. My DJIs all come with a case, so this is nice. I have something to put that in. I see other FPV pilots on YouTube that have like drones hanging up everywhere. They got shelves everywhere, but I haven't gotten that far yet. Is this the camera? I believe this is the camera. Yep, so that's the camera. All the bits, parts, and brackets and whatnot. Okay, so camera. Put you back there. Oh, still have to do that part. And so we got the purple. So that's just giving you 2 extra sets of props. Okay, alright, that's what that is. Cool, cool. Alright. So, all the bits and parts. Pockets. Alright, so move you out of the way. So we got here. And you flip up, you flip out. All right. Okay. And straps for a battery. Luminaire. Cool. Cool, cool. Put you there. That's going to be the rubber mount isolation for the battery. So that should line up with that somehow. This is like when you get a TV wall mount, and they give you all the things with screws. What is this? Oh, standoffs. Okay. This is, you know what I should have done. So parts don't disappear. Could have gone badly. Oh, this is purple bracket for the camera. Trash. More screws. More screws. More bracket parts. Alright. And more carbon fiber. Doo-doo-doo. Let's see what that is. Oh, inventory list. Cool. Alright, so we got the back plate, we got these two guys. We got this piece, got the arms, got the other body part, camera mount, left, right, and the beginning of the assembly. Start with assembly of the split rear plate to mount the X-lock, PC isolation, or FC isolation. Just a comment, really small font, white on black, kind of hard to read. Maybe if they made that bigger, older eyes like mine would have an easier time reading that. This is pretty straightforward, but this I'm probably gonna have to use like magnifying lens. Half kidding, half serious. So, alright, and then there's more on the back. And of course, if you're not already familiar, and I'll put a link in the description, Joshua Bardwell has his own channel, and he has a set of DIY videos on how to put this together. So, there's a range of videos that you'll see out there. There's some that would start with this, and then boom, put it all together. And it's on you to understand things like frequencies, radios. If you just follow it verbatim, yeah, you'll solder the right wire to the right pad and whatnot, and it'll work. But you may not understand it. And then Josh Bardwell kind of goes the other way, where he usually goes like really in depth. So if you're time constrained, sometimes it's a tough go. So I'm going to put together, I think, a set of videos, not to replace what he's got, because his videos are going to be way better than mine, better produced, better done, better work area. But I'm just going to kind of like capture things that I learn as I go, like things that are in the instructions that make sense, things that don't. So anyway, that's cool. I like that. Top notch. Looks good. Carbon fiber parts. Let's see how they feel. Let's not stab ourselves with our dull knife. It's not dull. Nothing there. Alright, so let's not lose parts. Let's not lose parts. Let's not lose parts. I'll just put you back in there for now. Let's see. Oh shoot, once again. Almost lost a part. Oh, that was close. Huh. Don't know what that is, but I'm sure it's on that inventory list. Okay. Now that's trash. And let's see. These are like really cheap bins. I think I got them at Harbor Freight. So let's see what we got. Alright, so that's the unboxing, and hopefully have time here soon, get this together, film parts of it, put it together. and hopefully we can learn together. And as always, just go to Joshua Bardwell's site. His site's going to have the best information, but I just figured I would put something together just for a different perspective on things. So with that, thanks for watching.